Okay, so here's our tutorial on how to use the computer to generate your concept maps. You've already done it in class the hard way using paper and pencil. Now we get to do it using the CMap tools. So when you open up CMap tools, you're going to see these two windows. Here's a window that already has some maps I made previously, and here's a new window where we can make our map. Let's just make a map here. We'll double click in the center, and up pops your chance to write in a concept. So I'm going to type in a simple idea we talked about today. There we go. So here's our concept. And if I want to make a proposition, I want to make an idea from this concept, I'm going to click up here on top of these two arrows, and now wherever I drag my pointer, it's going to generate, when I tap again, a new concept I can place in this area, and more importantly, the linking words here. So let's do the linking words here. We'll go with, I'll do here. Generates, and the concept here down is going to be ideas. Now we have a concept here of science, we have another concept here, ideas, and this would be our proposition, science generates ideas. If I want to have another proposition off of science, I'd click on science once again, click on the arrows above, and now try it again. And now once again I can make a new proposition off in this direction. Let's go this way. We'll make our linking words here. Is A, and then our main concept here for science. There you go. So simple as that. Off of one concept I've generated two propositions. Science generates ideas, and science is a process. If I go back over here to ideas, I can then generate some propositions from there. I click on it once, click on the arrows above it, and now I'll go off in this direction and say, okay, ideas, and my linking word here is going to be must be. And the first concept here. So these ideas must be testable. And I can take these concepts then and I can move them around to rearrange my concept map. Besides being testable though, the ideas, as we mentioned before, also must be repeatable. So I can click on my linking words here and then draw another line. And now I've got both ideas must be testable and they must be repeatable. And there's one third thing I want to add to it as well. I'll do that here. There we go. And once again, it's gotten too big for me. I've overlapped this other concept, so I'm just going to move this around as I see fit. I can move my linking words around. It's kind of cool. Move these guys around as well. There we go, wherever I want to go, but boom, we'll just leave it there for now. I'm all set. To save this map, it's untitled 2 right now. I want to save it, so I'll go here to File and go Save Concept Map. Up pops this window. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Here's my desktop folder here. The name for this I'm going to say is Science. And they always want you to put a focus question because we generate all these maps. They want to know what this map is going to describe. So I'm going to say, well, the focus question is, what is science? There we go. Keywords here, I might write science. Separated by commas, they want process. I'll leave it at that. We click Save, and it's saved for us.